Hello, I'm Joe Hren. The FDA announced required safety labeling changes for immediate release opioid pain medications to warn both prescribers and patients of the risks of abuse, addiction, and overdose.
Much of Indiana's current drug addiction and substance abuse problem actually begins, as it does around the country, from prescription opiate usage and abuse. In fact, 80% of heroin addicts actually start with prescription opiates. Nearly a quarter of our teenagers have admitted to using a controlled prescription for non-medical reasons.
The effort is part of the FDA's partnership with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to combat what they call a public health crisis. Governor Pence today signed 2 bills into law that give state and local governments an influx of about $1 billion in road funding over the next 2 years. Most of the legislation's money is short-term. Much of the local road funding comes from a one-time distribution of local income tax reserves. The state's portion will come from the state budget surplus. And Hanya Manufacturing of Indiana announced that they plan to invest $52 million at its Greensburg facility. The largest portion of the money will go toward adding production of the Honda CR-V, Honda's second highest selling model in the United States last year. Production of the CR-V will begin in early 2017 and is expected to create up to 100 new jobs by the end of the year. And now here's a quick check of the weather forecast. First for tonight, a 60% chance of rain, lows down to 58. And in the 5-day forecast, tomorrow a 90% chance of rain and thunderstorms, 63, 50 by Friday, partly cloudy on Saturday, highs in the mid-60s on Sunday with more rain throughout the weekend. We have more news on our website at WTIUnews.org.